Appraisers. Why do I need an appraiser? When I want to buy a property, the bank's going to decide who the appraiser is, and that's who's going to get the job. The problem with that is the bank's going to give it to the person who bids the cheapest price. I have relationships with appraisers. I just bought a house last week. We paid $700,000 for the house. They were wanting $1 million for the house when it went on the market. And I offered them $700,000 and they didn't take the money. So after about 3 months of not selling the house, they came back to me. Wondered if I would give them $800,000 for it. And I was not willing to go up on the price. I said, what I will do is I will hire an appraiser that will come appraise that house. And I will give you what the house appraises for. If it appraises for $800,000, I'll give you that right there. But I'll give you what it appraises for. So I called my appraiser. My appraiser went out, appraised the property. It came back at $700,000. They signed a contract on it. I turned it over to my bank. I turned it over to my title company. They took that property then and had a bank appraisal done on it. And that bank appraisal came in $10,000 higher. So I was okay with raising that price to $710,000 because I told them I would give them what it appraised for. So we did that, bought the property. But if I didn't have an appraiser that I could call that could help me make a good evaluation of a deal I was looking at, this is what it is truly worth. If I didn't have that appraiser, then I might have overpaid for that property. And I don't want to overpay for a piece of property.